everybody, Tanisha K here, also known as Married to Katie K, coming to you guys with a quick tutorial on how I achieved this look. So I know you guys have seen me do the braided side sew-in previously, not as a tutorial but as a show and tell. This time I recorded a tutorial just showing you clips of how I pieced this look together. This look is different though. Instead of me using track hair to achieve this look, I used a wig. So I already have a review on this unit, and this is the Half Wig Poet by It's a Wig, and this is the two-tone burgundy. So it's TTP burgundy, black hair, all burgundy in the middle, and black right back here. So I'll put a card up here so you can see that review if you have not seen it, and again that link will also be below and in the blog post that coordinates with this video. Alright guys, so if you're interested in seeing how you can take a whole wig, and it's a wig, it's a wig has been saying Issa long before Issa was a slang thing. It's been saying it's the appropriate way. So it's a half wig. If you're interested in how to take your half wig and creating a complete style like this that you just keep on, it's sewn on and everything, then you definitely stay tuned. So there you have it. That is how I created this look, and this is the finished product. Now I do want you to know, after you saw me kind of playing with it, I showed you how I could stick the pins in it and everything. So like even now I still have some pins in now it. This is it without the pins. You see the difference? Now this is gonna be, you know, your Saturday date night. This is it, honey. I love this hair. Even my husband, he's like, oh yeah, wear it big. You know, it looks really I mean, there's so much you can do with it. Don't think just because it's on your head that you have to wear it in the braided side style. Because of the way I cut it, I can even pull it all forward and I can just wear it like that. So don't let this style scare you guys. There's so much that you can do with it, even with it being braided side. I mean, now it doesn't even look like it. So try it out. Let me know what you guys think. If you end up trying it, if you have any questions, you definitely know what to do. But yeah, all the information about the hair and all the products I used, you'll be able to see that, just click the blog post. But other than that, I will see you guys in the next video.